Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to solve this question, and we have a x plus y which is equal to 50, and product of x y, this is also equal to 50, and we find the value of x and y. So let's start. Look at this equation. We call this is a equation 1, and this is our second equation. So focus on the first equation. In this equation, we subtract a y on both sides. Then we get x is equals to 50 minus y. We call this is equation number 3. And now we put this equation 3 in equation 2. So this is a product of x, y. Here we replace x by 50 minus y. And this is a y is equal to 50. Now multiply this y by 50. We get 50 times y. Multiply this y by y, we get a y square is equal to 50. Now in the next step, we add a y square on both sides, then we get 50 times y, it's equal to 50 plus y square. And in the next step, we subtract a 50 times y on both sides of this equation, then 0 is equal to 50 plus y square minus 50 times y. Now we rearrange this equation, we write this as a y square minus 50 times y plus 50 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation, so we use a quadratic formula to solve this equation. So in this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 50, and c is equal to plus 50. So we write a quadratic formula which is a y is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times product of AC over 2a. So we substitute this value in this formula. So we have a y is equal to minus b. B is a minus 50. So here we write minus 50 plus minus b square mean minus 50 square, which is a 2500 minus 4. A is a 1 and C is a 50 over 2, and a is a 1. Now we simplify this. So it's a y is equal to negative will become a positive. So we have a positive 50 plus minus square root 2500. 4 multiply 1 is a 4. Multiply this 4 by 50, we get 200 over 2 ones are 2. Now we simplify this. 50 plus minus subtract 1500, so we get 2300. In the denominator we have a 2. Now we write this value as a 50 plus minus, we write this value as a 23 multiply 100 over 2, and this is equal to 50 plus minus square root 23 multiply square root 100 over 2, and this is equal to plus 50 plus minus square root of 100 is a 10, so we write 10 times square root 23 over 2. We write this value as a 25 plus minus 5 times square root. So we get two value of y. First one is a 25 plus 5 times square root 23, and y2 is a 25 minus 5 times square root 3. Now we use this y1 value and find the value of x. For this we use this equation number 3. So we have a x1 is equals to 50 minus y. Y is this one. So here we write 25 plus 5 times square root 23. So this is equal to 50 minus 25 and minus 5 times square root 23. 50 minus 25 is a 5. So x1 is equals to 25 minus 5 times square root 23. And in this case y1 is a 25 plus 5 times square root 23. Now we find the value of x2. For this we use this value of y2. So in our equation 3 is a x2 is equals to 50 minus y, and y is a this one 25 minus 5 times square root 23. So x2 is equals to 50 minus 25, and negative negative will become a positive. So we get plus 5 times square root 23. So x2 is equal to 50 minus 25 is a 25 plus 5 times square root 23. In this case, the value of y2 is 25 minus 5 times square root 23. So these are two possible solutions set for our question, and we have done. Thank you.